Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like an outfit code on Koya Dance Studio. So select this icon here and then go to general and then copy and paste from Roblox Marketplace the code here and then just press the plus button. I'm just going to remove this outfit by pressing remove. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, I have a new outfit on. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Also, you can do this in outfits depending on the code. For instance, you want to copy somebody else's outfit, and you can do that by pressing this load via ID, insert the code from somebody else's outfit, and you can do it there. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.